Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? Just realized that I forgot to do my audio check, so hopefully I don't sound like garbage. Someone in chat will have to let me know whether I sound like garbage or not. But anyway, welcome back to yet another stream. Today is Monday, the 7th of 2022 of February. Wait, that was completely out of order. What am I doing? But anyway, we're back for another stream. It's Monday, which means it is auto update day, so we're going to be taking a look at that. And then we're going to continue. Are you trolling me, Kimby? I can see that there is sound. Now I feel like you're fucking with me. God damn it. I invited this upon myself. But anyway, we're back for another stream. The plan for today is to go over the auto update. I don't think there were many that happened this week because I don't know of any significant frequent hooks that bumped, so we'll see what happened there. Not like last week where basically everything bumped because black. Yeah. And then we're gonna try and work on my text editor. So we'll see how that goes. Let's jump into it. We'll also do I guess we'll do auto update first. I don't know if it's done. It wasn't done by this time last week, but I think it will be done this time. What's the time at your place? It is 5:38, which reminds me, I gotta say hi to everyone. Oramus was first today, who just barely beat out Beldothis. I don't know that you've done that before, so congrats on that. Won't be around long to watch much of the stream. Stay in my other half's place nice. Nice. Well, have fun. That's probably way more important than watching my stream. I don't blame you. Karamuku is also here, as is Nightly and Kenbiko. And Jonas Spammer, hello. Qualzy is also here. All the cool kids are here. Yeah, the cool kids. Yep. Ollie's here. Hello. Kenbiko with the sound issues that are not my fault, but yes, indeed. Marsma is also here. Hello. Is Beldothis Marsha? No, they are two separate individuals. But they show up to the stream a lot. Kenbiko! Man, DTS had a struggle with that. Kenbiko, thank you for the resub at 21 months. Holy shit. 7/3 Twitch. 7/3. 7/3? Oh yeah, this is the song with the phone in it. Skip this song because it's annoying. 7/3. 7/3. Wait, isn't it? Oh, I guess 9 months. 9 months in thirds times 7. Yeah, okay, I understand now. Here I was thinking like, but wait, aren't babies 8 months? And then I was like, yeah, I was a preemie. Never mind. Shit. Bonetta says, I just let them win the first game. I'm retired from this game. I do it for the fun. So yes, indeed. Indeed. Right. So we go to our dashboard. Will it be done yet? It is done. We finished by the end of the stream. Look at that. Just barely. Like 15 minutes before stream. Okay. And it doesn't look like we got too many runs today. Just about expected. That's what I said when my nephew started kicking my butt in Mario Kart. Arguably the one game I'm any good at. Yeah. Yeah, I'm letting you win. Steve Elspeth here. Hello. As is Neuron. I feel like I said Neuron in a meeting today, and I don't remember why, and then I was like, but anyway, welcome back. Good to see you. Okay, this looks reasonable. Let's take a look at metrics. And we get all of these. Whoa, this is different than last time. Also, this graph is smaller. This is the only thing I care about. Why have you made it smaller? Wow. Wow, pretty constant Oh, I guess it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let's do. Oh, they changed this too. Oh, it all looks different, annoying. Pretty constant runs all day. I guess that's kind of to be expected. And our queue time, we still saw the 3-minute spike here. Still don't know what's causing that, but we'll do that sometime. Can you drag the menus down? Oh, you can. A little glitchy. Why are there 2 scroll bars here? Why are there 4 scroll bars here? What the fuck is this? Web design is my passion. Fuck. Responsive graph, yeah. DDLs has redeemed review some code. Oh no. Oh no. Have you finally finished your troll code? GSVolt says in CloudWatch, my favorite thing to do is use the date time range. Targets the data in the graph. Yeah. I mean, you can also just do this. But we really only care about the last 12 hours. And well, and of course, as soon as you do this, it fucks up whatever you were looking at, so. Untitled graph, yeah, that's fine. We don't need that. The other thing that we look at is dead letter. I don't think there's anything. Yeah, we've been, oh wait. Why are there 2 things still in auto update? Maybe we will get some dead letter then. Wait, why does it say? Wait, what? Well, that's not good. I think those are probably gonna dead letter. Because it finished like 15 minutes ago, but those ones are probably bouncing around at the end, and they have like a retry with wait period. Let's see. Let's see if we have stack traces at the end here. 404. Yeah, indeed. I guess we have something to fix. That's good. That's good, or bad, or good. Oh, did GitHub change the error code for this again? Guess we gotta do this again. Some new AWS engineer decided to make everything responsive? Yeah. That's like all my UIs end up looking. Yeah, multiple scroll bars all over the place. I don't have troll code, but I'll give you the option of my really terrible Python, which I actually had questions about packaging for, or Java, which is actually properly tested. It's up to you. Also, let me know what stream you want me to do it on. Yum says, I just found out BDSP doesn't let you enter double battles if you only have 1 Pokemon in your party. Yeah, that's actually a common speedrun strat. It's been like that in like basically every game ever. Where if you only have 1 Pokemon in your party, you get to skip all the doubles. News says, hello bro, where are you streaming? On Twitch? Twitch.tuvalu/AnthonyWritesCode? Which city? I am in Ann Arbor, Michigan. DL says, probably this weekend during week streams is rough. I can get all my Python stuff up because I do have legit questions about it. Yeah, sure. Sounds good. Sounds good. Linge, hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. What are you trying to do there, Qualsy? Are you trying to shout me out in my own channel? I don't think it works that way. I do not believe it works that way. Live Strife, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. News says I hate all of you. Well, welcome to the silly stream, News. Oh, it'll be the Python that powers Among Us GIF. Oh. 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 Like this? No SQL know-how. Good to see you again. How's it going? We were just Where was it? Was it in metrics? NoSQL know how it works to AWS, so I can meme about this, right? How did we trigger it? Wait, it's not doing it now. Oh yeah, there it is. Some nice set of double scroll bars. But how you doing? Where's the cited URL params? Oh, details Among Us thing? Oh yeah, I don't know how it works. Anyway. Oh no. Oh no, what ams this? Nice pants. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. Okay, anyway, hopefully this should end up in dead letter, and then we'll be able to look at the data for it. They're gonna bounce around for a while. We could probably figure out the data. We could also probably start debugging it before it's done. Let's see if this account exists. It does. It does indeed. Let's see if they have a pre-commit CI install. They do indeed. Then why is it 404ing? API get installation access token. What? And they've been able to do pre-commit CI runs? And it looks like a thing that actually exists. prswelcome. I wonder if I assume people are adding this badge because they're like, oh, this is a friendly badge to add to my repo. But prswelcome is like a famous way to say go fuck yourself. But I'm sure that's not what they intended. It wasn't me. I didn't do a thing. You can't prove a thing. I know you don't work on front end, so I don't blame you. Doing well. It's been a while since I watched your stream. Well, welcome back. Good to have you. I added custom message capability. Oh. Sadly, you can hear no sound in space. Yeah. I like that. Now I want to put it on my repos. Yeah. Yeah, next you're gonna add a for humans badge, right? Okay, well, we gotta kind of wait for these to finish. So I guess while we're waiting for these to end up in here so that we can inspect their data, we will take a look at some other stuff. I'm a beginner with Python. I can't make a tool undetectable from the antivirus. Oh no, what are you trying to do, News? But also, oh, are you using like pytest? Because sometimes some antiviruses will just flag all of them as viruses because it's a common way for people to distribute malware. Because it's just Python code slapped into an executable. I don't know much about AWS, but your program sends you death letters. The cloud does rule. Yeah, so dead letter, I think I have a video about it. Do I have a video about it? Let's see. Konik! Hey, I think that's actually the first time you've gotten TTS to say love, Pical. Thank you for the reset with Prime at 20 months. Holy shit. Thank you for your continued support. It's great to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, it's News. It's probably whatever is bundling your executable, or your antivirus is just garbage, or a combination of the two. What tool are you using to build the executable? Also, why are you working on Python? Or why are you working on Windows? NoSQL Know-How has also resubbed with Prime at 8 months. Thank you for your continued support with your preemie Twitch baby. Okay, let's take a look at open source since last time while we wait for this to finish. Don't know why it's just not done. How do I? Oh, is there not an auto refresh for this one? That's annoying. Okay, well, we'll check that in a bit. Primey Twitch baby. Shit. Yeah, you're right. You're right. PyInstaller. Yeah, it's probably just that PyInstaller doesn't work well with whatever your antivirus is. Avira. Oh yeah, Avira false positives on pretty much any dynamic executable, such as the ones made by PyInstaller. Do you need PyInstaller? Are you planning to like redistribute Windows executable? Tater. I like that name. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. All right. What have I done in open source since last time? Last time being Saturday. Did a few things. Not too much. This got merged, by the way. This thing that we worked on stream on the Saturday to make PyParsing less slow. Where we did a cached property and deferred the regex compile, which happened to be pretty slow. So that's cool. Yeah, this was a patch that we worked on stream for Flake 8 for redoing how picodestyle works. Les Tigres, thank you for the resub with Prime at 3 months. It is indeed Anthony Writes Software. Anthony Writes Software on AWS. But thank you for the resub, and that gets you a fancy new badge. Good to see you again, by the way. NoSQL Know-How says, I think I'm going to start streaming. But playing games and answering questions about DynamoDB as best I can while multitasking. Super casual, though. Sounds nice. I'll have to check out your channel when you start streaming. Let me... Oops, that's more copy than I want. Let me give you follows so that I can watch your stream. Where's the button? Where's the button? Where's the button? Oh, I should have just done this. That would have been the easy way to do it. Cool. Kapatachi. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, so I accidentally broke the Flake 8 help so that it wasn't showing picodestyle anymore. So I resynthesized the picodestyle plugin. Fortunately, it was basically subtract 1 line of code and adjust the tests because the tests were wrong. But now ICQA Flake 8. What's that? Gets his stuff together. Yeah, so now it's back to displaying this down here. For a while it was not displaying this. Due to a bug. Oh yeah, there is a scam train. Indeed, Niram. We have triggered. Apparently all it takes is 3 primes. Interesting. Okay, but yeah, fix the plugin display of picodestyle. This ordering was sometimes inconsistent due to a intermediate set and a weirdish bug, but fix that up. Thanks for the bits, dolls. Yes, that will scam me, Anthong. Get scammed. Get scammed. Hey, what's up, Rask? Hello, hello. Welcome back. But yeah, I basically just got rid of the intermediate set, which fixed the inconsistency, but potentially makes it slower if people configure it stupidly. Drugs. Murecods, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And this one was from today. I kind of want to show the technique that I did to find this bug, because I think it's kind of cool. I also want to figure out a way to automate it. You guys want to see? You guys want to see what I did? We'll replay it as if I haven't fixed this already. just because I think it's really cool. Yeah. Also, spoilers. This kind of gives it away. What is tnap? Oh right, we have him here. Oh yeah. Okay, get clean fxfd. And we are going to reset to old thing. Hard. Get reset that just hard. Oh, actually, I can just do this, right? Yeah. Talks dev and vf. So, there was a test that mysteriously started failing. Can reset Boston mode hard, yeah. And it was caused by a dependency. I'll give you 2 guesses as to what dependency it was. I'll give you 2 guesses. It should be a real easy guess. Yeah. Okay. So the first thing that I did was run all the tests. Right, they're in a testing directory. A hint. I'll give you a hint, recursive chat. This dependency has caused me pain 4 times in the last 3 weeks. Not requests. PyTest does not depend on requests. DDLSP has it, yeah. Setup tools. 100% setup tools. Yep. The root cause was setup tools. Spoilers. Fucking again. Pre-commit? Jonas. Why you gotta do me like that? Setup tools and metadata? I don't even think this is a package. But anyway, if we run the full test suite, I think there's actually more test pollution which I found while doing this, so we might actually have more to fix. Oh, unless setup tools has already fixed the bug. Because I think it should have failed already. No, this is yesterday. But they did fix the they did fix the where's the pull request? Oh right. Right, there's no pull request because it just gets fucking yeeted to master. Sloppy maintenance. Yeah, here's where it was just yeeted to master. Oh, import lib metadata, yeah. Yeah, no, not import lib metadata this time. Surprise, surprise. But yeah, these are namespace packages, and now they have init.pys, which is just like a stupid hack. But also like no regression test. This is just sloppy maintenance. Like for something that's used by fucking everyone. What do the non-dot characters mean? I have a video about this. I think. This one. All test statuses. All test statuses. S is skip, F is fail, X is expected failure. If it's lowercase, it failed and we expected it to fail. If it's uppercase, it's we unexpectedly failed. I have all of the level 1 emotes. Whoa. The dots are pass, and there's also E, but none of these have E. E is error. Just some niche project. Yeah, no, only the most important project in Python. And I went skiing yesterday with my brother, which was fun. I haven't been skiing in two and a half years. Well, not 2.5, but 2 years. I'm a regular. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Hello, world for chat. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Yes. Okay, but anyway, these are some of the tests that fail. So I took just one of these tests. For instance, this one. And I put it in a little file like this. Let's actually work over here. I got failing test, which is this one here. And I happen to know inside pytest cache, vcache node IDs, there's a JSON file which includes every test node ID. I don't know why this is here, but we're gonna use that to I don't remember why it's there, but we're gonna use that with JQ and raw output to get a list of all the tests. So now we have all of the test IDs here, and so if you were to do like head-5 all tests, you can get some test IDs, and then you could do xargs-e new line pytest. Of course, we have to have virtual env activated, and so this will just run these 5 test IDs. And so that's kind of the basis for what I'm going to do here. But my hypothesis was that there's some test that when it runs before any of these tests, it causes these to fail. And so I want to run a chunk of tests, then the test that fails, and then bisect down that whole chunk of tests until I get to just one failing test. So let's actually remove these tests from this test list. Oh, where did I put it? All tests. So we're gonna look for test failure function. We want to get rid of all and log. All and log, and then we want to do test change level undo. Test root logger affected. Test log cli default. Test log level not changed. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of those tests just so that we only have passing tests in this thing. There's also like a weird bug with pytest where there are some illegal test IDs that are also allowed. I don't know, like I feel like I should fix this at some point. But if we run this right now, any test ID that has colons in it, you just can't run it. It's impossible to run a test with colons in it. Or spaces, I guess? No, colons. So it tries to find this as the function name, which is just broken. But we have to filter out those tests as well. So bracket dot slash colon colon, and we're just going to delete all of these and hope that those aren't the ones that cause our bug here. Spoilers, they don't cause the bug, but that will make this easier to do. Okay, so now that these are at least starting to test, what I want to do is split this file into 2 files and figure out which one of those causes the tests. Now there's this cool tool called split. I didn't actually use split when I did this. I used tail and head. But we can use split-n to do this, and split-n, how do you do this? File and then prefix. So split-n2 all tests, and then step 1, and so we should end up with step 1 AA and step 1 AB. And then we can do cat failing test, append that to both of those, AA and AB. And now we should have split our test suite in half. And so we can try which half of those is causing the pollution. So next I'm going to do pytest step 1. step 1 AA and see if... What do you mean? Not directory or file not found? What? Venom Official, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What happened here? Why is this... What? Why is this function not running? Hold on a sec. Tail-1 this. Really? Oh, this is messed up. Why is this weird? Shouldn't have this on the beginning. Oh, because there's no extra new line at the end? Oh, I see. There's supposed to be a new line. Did it not split by lines? Oh, it didn't split by lines, it split by bytes. God damn it. That's what I get for using split. So this test got chopped in half. Okay, well, we'll just split when we do this second one. But yeah, this is broken. And we'll just assume that that's not the failing test. Yeah, I thought it might have been the colon issue, but maybe not. But anyway, so if we run the first chunk, and I believe it's not in the first chunk. Actually, no, I think it is in the first chunk. We'll see. But I'm basically bisecting the test pollution so I can find the bug. I had a script that automated this for a different test runner when I worked at Yelp, because we had to do this all the time, because when you have several hundred developers contributing to a massive code base, you have varying levels of terrible code. And so, yeah, tests would pollute all the time. Well, that's a different failure. So we probably have another piece of test pollution. That's interesting. Also bad. There's probably a test that fails on its own. But wait, this is the first half. These ones should be in order. Kind of weird. Pytest bisect when? Yeah, it's actually on my list of things to do. Also, I forgot to say hi to SF Wong. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. It's on my list of things to do. Right, it's in the wiki. PyTest test pollution plugin. Yeah, I've been meaning to build that. I don't quite know how it's going to work. Yeah, this is weird. This is very weird. Does this test just fail? I wonder if this test fails when running by itself. No, it passes when run by itself. Cert spec is not none. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave myself a note, since that one, step 1 AA. We will have to fix that as well. This one also fails. Weird. Okay, so there's another bug. We'll fix that we'll fix that later, but that's not what I'm trying to do here. Anyway, our test that we're trying to see if it fails didn't fail, so we will ignore step AA, step 1 AA, and we'll move to step 2 AA. Let's see if I can make split work without munching the lines. The default size is 1,000 lines. Dash lines, put number of lines. Use sep instead of new line as the records separator. What did we use? What was the option we used? Dash dash number? See explanation below. Chunks may be n, split to the n files based on the size of the input. K n, output kth of n to split n files without splitting lines or records. So we do L/2? That's fucking weird. Okay, so if we do split dash and L/2 step 1 AB to step 2, we should get step 2 AA and step 2. Let's see if this is fucked up at the end. Okay, good. It worked there. And if we put this into both of these files, oops, AA. And then we can run those two now. So let's see if it's in the first half of step 2. And you'll notice that I'm cutting the number of tests in half each time. So I'm basically doing a logarithmic amount of things to do. Did you upgrade to Windows 11? I have not. I upgraded and then I downgraded. They removed task ungrouping in... I show you this. Everything safe to show down there? Yeah, probably. Outdated version! Thank you for the resub. At 20 months, thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, they removed taskbar ungrouping, which I use taskbar grouping to, especially when I'm managing my stream, to make sure that things are working well. And I switch back and forth between these windows. That's how I manage my stream. So without that, it's kind of messy. There a 1 pixel gap on the left side. Fixed. Oh yeah, I already read that. Close this torrent break browser before moving the window. Yeah, I didn't actually change anything. Okay, cool. So we actually have the failure though. So we know that it's in the first chunk of that next one. So we can do our split again, but instead we're on step 2 and step 3. And then we can do xargs again, but on step 3, you know, I should actually video idea split command. And probably video idea finding test solution, since I think these are both interesting ideas. Okay, so now we're on to step 3. Step 3 should be half as many tests, so it should go even faster now. Is it in AA or is... Oh, I forgot to do the cat. Shit. Step 3 AA, AB. Now I gotta do xargs again. Video idea? Yes, the video idea, Roosterhead. I have a YouTube channel. And video is just a stream meme that I'm pretty sure I stole from Wolfie, but I don't actually know because I don't remember where I got it from. But I've noticed that Wolfie also says video. Okay, so we know it's not in the first chunk, so that means it must be in the second chunk. I just want to double check that it's actually in the second chunk, because otherwise we're going down a rabbit hole. Otherwise I've screwed up one of the steps and then I have to backtrack. It eventually gets down to a manageable size of tests, and then I just comment out all the ones that I don't want. I don't think it's in this one. I think I've made a mistake. Shit. We split the wrong section. Where was the one when it failed? Okay, so we failed here on step 2 AA. We should have split step 2 AA. We split step 2 AB. Whoops. Okay, then we'll do step 3. Is there an option in pytest to run tests in a random order, or is it just a plugin? There's a plugin for it. It's called pytest randomly, which I don't know, can be helpful. Oh, failing test. Good call. Good call. Good call. Good call. This is again like why I would write a script. This is precisely why I wrote a script for this, for the Yelp code. And the script's actually pretty straightforward. It's basically just like get the tests in a list, actually use slicing and logic rather than a bunch of manual stuff. Crow, welcome back. Hello, hello. Okay, cool. This is failing. We know it's in step 3AA. Yes. And then we'll do split again. Do step 4. We'll do the cat this time. And then we're on to step 4 AA. Well, guys, tomorrow is the big day for me. Oh, wait, you are starting your job? Wait, no, I forget. What's the big day, Crow? Say more. Okay, so it must be in AB. In fact, it is. I happen to know it's in this file. Or this file, one of these two. I don't know. Well, that was weird. How do we end up with a blank line here? Anyway, we know it's in step 4 AB, so we do split again. Step 4 AB to step 5 X args. We do step 5 AA. Making a set of os.lister okay, so order doesn't matter in the test. Yeah, os.lister is already not deterministic in its ordering, so that is valid to do. Cool, so we know it's in step 5AB. 5AB to step 6. Oh wait. Wait, we didn't know that because of this. We forgot to do this. Well, anyway. 6AA. I think it's doubling the end of this because it will actually yeah, that's kind of funny. Okay. But then if we do step 6. Okay, so it's in the first chunk of this, and then 6AA to step 7. We really have to do it in the top one? No, we have to do it in both, probably. I don't know, it doesn't matter. But you get the idea. I followed this procedure over and over until I narrowed it down to just a few tests, and then I was able to find the specific test. We actually have to go, I think, one step further to make it. Make it do that. Was this A or B? B. And you could split it into more chunks to do. Do it faster. Well, not really faster. You would just do fewer splits. Okay, so there's only 13 tests, and we know it's in AA. So probably just comment stuff out in here. I happen to know it's this test, but if we were to comment out the rest of these, then you can see that I could narrow it down to just 2 tests, which cause the test pollution. And then what I did is take a look at the second test there. Step 8. Just this. And then I was like, weird. Setup tools. I bet it's setup tools. And then if name, this is how I fixed it. By making this setup call not do its side effect. And so then now it passes. Halsey says marriage? No. My training ended today, so I have 3 hours worth of videos to watch tomorrow, and then I meet with my manager. Oh, nice! Congrats! Arma says this is a new pytest feature. I don't think I'm using any new pytest features here. No. There's no new feature here. As far as I know. Okay, but we have like 2 other things to fix. So maybe we'll fix those. So far I haven't seen a line of code. Crow, why do you gotta say such true things like that? Okay. But yeah, that was the thing that I did today. Fix some test pollution there. Go to setup tools. And then I was looking at the Flake8 docs, and I noticed that there was a reference to the old GitLab repo, so I cleaned that up, and that's my pull request that I've done since last time. They've been really hammering the write docs and write tests home. Nice. Okay. Are we deadlettered yet? Cool. Okay, so now we can take a look at what failed here. Don't really know why. We will look at that. Any fancy new things in pytest 7? Last major bump that you were on testing code? Yes. I don't know if we're gonna do another one of those. I should ping Brian and be like, yo, version 7 came out. Do you want to chat about it? I'd be happy about it on podcast again. I actually, not gonna lie, I don't really know much of what landed in 7. Other than, I think we made it a major version because of some internal changes, and we hadn't released in like a year. And I imagine there's like a whole bunch of regressions to look at. What was this one? I actually looked at this earlier. Oh. Why did they put static method on this? That's weird. Anyway, but if we look at the changelog, I know there was a folder called changelog, but that's for this step file. Let's see. Yeah, this is the main like problems. Where's the breaking changes? Yeah, we changed like how some of the node information is set up. And removed a lot of the old functionality that was warning for a while. Where's the like features list? Yeah, I worked on this. Pigments themes. Cache thing. New type annotations. Some fixes for weird import lib stuff. This is so annoying. Data classes does some funky stuff at runtime. Pathlib stuff. I don't actually know that there's too much that's super interesting. I think this is mostly like a purge old stuff kind of release. Yeah. But anyway, it was a big release. It took a long time for us to get it together. Sundin says, so far I'm sitting and getting that I'm a total noob, which does not get what's going on, but still continue looking. Well, well, I mean, sometimes I don't know what's going on either. And admittedly, we've been a little bit all over the place, but welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, Causey says, welcome. Alex Placana, hello, welcome back. Good old Brian, indeed. Send and receive. I hate that they moved the button. This is the button that I care about. Okay, so this is one of the ones that failed. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Pigment CI, auto updater, git checkout, git pull. Pigment CI, env equals prod. AWS profile equals, or no, this has to be AWS. AWC. Updater.handler. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and rerun this and see. Yes, it does fail. Let's figure out why it fails. Probably just do -mpdb. Or I guess we just do fp.read. Not found. What? What the fuck? What? Gotta be careful to not show tokens here. Why did it show those lines? That's what I want. Install ID. Did they uninstall and reinstall? Is that what happened here? They did. Interesting. So they have like two their install ID starts with a 2. But it previously started with a 1. Interesting. Okay. I guess that makes sense. And that's why their runs don't go that far back. Actually, it'll be by repo ID. So I wonder if I go to one of these old runs and then click on this, it'll 404. Yeah. Okay, so they deleted and recreated their install for some reason. This is their old one. And they did it while auto update was running. Well, that's kind of wild. But we can add a case for that test, or add a case for that error, I guess. When is pytest using rich for the dots? That'd be such fucking overkill. Kind of not too happy with Pip's new progress bars. They're kind of small and hard to see. Yeah. 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 I kind of agree. We'll start somewhere, ask questions, and you'll pick things up. That's what I did. Indeed, indeed. That's the good part about the stream is I will answer your questions. Whatever you fucking ask, I'll answer it. Reroute not find it, they deleted, privatize it? No, they deleted and recreated their pre-commit CI install. I don't know why they did that, but they did. And they happened to do it within the number of hours that pre-commit that the auto update was running. So that's why it crashed. But I think we'll just skip in this case because it's just a stale data case. There's not too much I can do about it, but they'll get run next week, which will be fine. Hey, what's up, Fixer Jane? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. How many years of experience do you need to not be tested on LeetCode? When you find out, let me know. I'm pretty sure there's like no number where you don't get asked silly questions on interviews. Because I still get asked silly questions in interviews. So, admittedly, some of my interviews are not all silly questions. So sometimes I have to do design interviews instead. G. Sugario says, I'm using your pre-commit hooks, and I was thinking of using the naming convention hook for tests. I saw that it only supports Python files. Would it be reasonable to create a PR that extends the hook to support any file extension? So I think it would be a good idea to write a hook that works for whatever your file convention is. I don't know that it belongs in pre-commit hooks. Particularly the test naming one doesn't belong there right now either. I want to move that out at some point. Because I want that repo to be language agnostic, and if it contains a bunch of language specific conventions, it's probably failing at what it needs to do. But they asked me one LeetCode easy, one LeetCode hard, and one random. Like implement hash map? What the fuck? Why would they do that? It's like such a pain in the ass. Do you interview at Stripe? Yeah, and I hate it. It's a huge waste of my time. Like a huge waste of my time. But I don't know. Stripe wants to double the number of employees by the end of the year, so they gotta hire some way or another. But design and architecture interviews I generally enjoy. It's more of a conversation about stuff rather than going to a wall most of the time. Yeah. I like design and architecture. But sometimes you get like the interviewers for design and architecture that are like, they want to prove that they know more than you, which spoilers. They don't. I don't know. Sometimes they can be nice. Wait a minute. If I'm a sub and you're my interviewer, is that a free pass? I can't interview people that I know. That is a conflict of interest. I get time but no clue and no job. Right. What's that? Send my resume to Stripe? Okay, anyway, we know what the problem is. Where be the thing? Here we go. This. We need this. We need this. Workspace, pre-commit CI, auto updater. Voodoo. Oh. Well then. Past me kinda knew what was up here, I guess. Picture Jake says, I accepted my verbal today, so waiting for the written, and then I'm excited to get my notice. Nice! It's always exciting. Congratulations. Why did I say congratulations weird? Congratulations. How did I even pronounce the T? Anyway. Go away. I think we have code for this already. We have 422. We do not have 404. But honestly, there's not really much information in this blob. So I could probably just say if it's 404, we continue. We raise early exit. Test, handler test. Not that one. This one. It's almost like I knew we were going to need this, so I made a parameterize for it. E501. Why did I put a comma right there? Installation was deleted. And we pytest that, and it should fail, and it does. And we add odds for it. Not that one. This one. If e.code is 404, raise early exit, installation was deleted. Yes. Cool. Waiting past self-encode? What is that emote? Haha, ginger cat? I have some of the haha emotes, I think. Why did that not work? Haha. I don't have many of them. I didn't get the one that I wanted. There was like a, oh, there's haha cat. Yeah. I sad I don't have haha cat. But it's okay. We got AOC Bongo now, which is the same spirit but better. Okay, if we run the actual one now, it should no longer crash. Yeah, that one quality. I'm jelly. I'm jelly of your haha cat. I couldn't even get Juice to edit it in the database for me. Not that she would do that. Cool. Well, that fixes this to-do, this long-standing to-do. Please Juice, I need it? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Skip deleted installs. Skip deleted installations. This song's got some jams. Got some bops. I'm a fan. Okay. Easy, pretty easy patch. Pretty easy patch. And then we'll requeue the dead letters so that they get flushed through. And that'll be another successful auto update day. And I think that'll be all the bugs that I know about with it. Yep. I think we actually fixed this. By using the ID-based lookup. Repo is renamed between queue and run and ends up in dead letter. Yeah, we use repo ID now. So that's done. We haven't done any of those. But that's fine. I think I'm getting sick. My throat feels awful. I went skiing yesterday, and I guess, you know, I did spend some time indoors and in contact with a lot of people, so might just be sick. Would suck. Let's see what happens. We will see. Okay, gonna let this merge and then deploy, and then we will re-trigger these. Let's also check our number of runs that we're up to. Like 420 Austin. Dynamo. I want NoSQL no-hows thing. Leaving the house is a dangerous adventure? Yeah. My throat has been hurting for a few days. I'm not COVID positive, and it's been the only thing, which is good. Still annoying. Yeah. 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 I just don't want it again. 436,000. Wow. Cool. All right, deploy to dev, deploy prod, please. I'll delete the email from it telling me that it deployed. I guess I'll wait for it to do the other email. That way I can delete both of them at the same time because they'll be threaded. And then we'll work on Babby, in theory. Oh wait, actually, no, I want to figure out what's wrong with pytest first. Since these tests are also problematic. Void broad, yay! Blah 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 blah. Oh right, we need to do the requeue. Which lives in the web repo. Python-m scripts.requeue. Let's see that. Auto updater. Auto updater dot wait. Auto update. Cool. That should requeue those two. And okay, so let's figure out step 1A why this one failed. And delete step 1AB. And we're gonna look for test rewrite on import. And test remember. And delete everything after this. Which means we have to bisect still 1,000 tests. I wonder if we find test rewrite infinite. Okay, so this is earlier on. XRs. See if this fails. Oh yeah, I can delete the. Goodbye. Anti-Super says, what is test pollution? I can show you just like a very simple example of test pollution. This is a very silly example of what test pollution is. Do I have a video about this? Maybe I do have a video about this. Pollution. Nope, don't have a video. So this is a very silly example, and if we run this test, it should pass. So we have 2 passing tests, but if we were to run them in the opposite order, they would not pass. Pytest t.pytest b t.pytest a. If you run in the opposite order, you see that this one fails. So this is one type of test pollution where some test modifies some global state that it doesn't clean up, and that affects the success of another test. It's kind of the baseline definition of it. But there's kind of two variants. There's test affects another test, and test fails when run alone. Those are kind of the two main situations where test pollution happens. And so usually I try and check both of those at the same time and validate which one ends up in that category here. But you can see here that this is failing, but if we were to run this test alone, right, this is in testing/test assert rewrite.py. If we run this test alone, god damn it. If we run this test alone, it passes, but it fails when run with all these other tests here. So there's something that some test in here is doing that mucks up the success of this test. I'm kind of curious if this file, when run alone, fails. That would be my first guess. Usually it's the same file that does it, but not in this case. That actually means that we can eliminate all those. And remove all of these, except for the one at the bottom. Okay, and so now we're going to use our split commands and do the same strategy that we did before. General Had, thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate that. Welcome, welcome. So we're going to do splits. Step 1 AA to step 2. Put it into 2 chunks. And then, oh, we should have gotten the failing test name. This one. Why should anyone have a test that affects others? You shouldn't. It's a bug. It's a bad thing to have test pollution. But it often happens on accident. I actually don't need to do it to step 2AB, but I'm going to do it anyway, just so I don't forget. Yeah, test pollution is a bug. It's a problem. An undesirable thing. It's a common source of flaky tests as well. So it's not in the first chunk. Let's just double check and make sure that it's still in the second chunk. How can global state in one test affect another? They all run in the same process. So, yeah, like this was a silly example. But because this is global mutable state and these tests run in the same place, in different files, so all modules in Python are actual just globals. So, you know, taking this example further, if we have v.py, which sets y equals 1, the v.py sets y equals 1, and say we did import v, you know, you could have v.y equals 2. The same idea, but also, all right, the same idea where it passes and then fails. And that's because every module in Python is stored as a global module in sys.modules. Did I release the video about that yet? I recorded it. Yeah, I did not release it yet. This is the spoiler. This is a pretty short video. But basically there's this shitty MIT lecture that just like says completely the wrong thing about from imports, and then I go into detail. Yeah. Where is it? Where he says it? Yeah. Not just import the whole thing, which is not really correct. And so I go over talking about how the import system works. It puts modules into sys.modules and blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to spoil the whole thing. Harvard, not MIT. Oh, they're basically the same thing, right? You can see how much research I did before recording the video. Box of Ninjas, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Yeah. Okay, well, anyway. What the fuck? Neither of these reproduce it. Well, that's unexpected. Did we keep our cert right? We do. That is a different case. So that probably means that there are 3 tests causing the pollution? So in your case, there are a lot of tests, so you were doing some splitting. Can you explain that? So I know that there are at least 2 bad tests, and I know where this bad test is. I don't know where this bad test is. So I'm splitting, I'm trying this section and this section. And if this one fails, then I discard these tests, and then I try this section, and etc. I'm basically trying to narrow down the 2 tests that fail together. Although it looks like here we have at least 2 tests, probably 3 tests that cause this, because you can see that both of these sections passed, which is not what I expected. So we're gonna have to do a different approach to this. We're gonna remove step 2 star, and oh, actually, it might not have created these because we still have the old ones here. Let's just try the split command again. Step 2 AA. The annoying thing is how slow these run in the first chunk. The pudding thickens, yeah, exactly. There's a potential that there's 3 tests here, and we're gonna have to do some more fiddly stuff. The other idea that I have that I've done before is just shuffle the input and then split it again, and that should hopefully do this. Ask why virtual machine stays between you and native Linux performance. So you're under a bit of a false impression there, Immersion. Processors since like 2000 have had very good virtualization technology in that virtual machines run the same CPU speed as your native processor. There's essentially like ring 0 handoff of virtualization. The main difference in using a virtual machine and not is in I/O, which is important, but it's not quintessential to what you're doing. But if you want the actual answer, it is in the FAQ, and you can check out the information there. Okay, so this did not reproduce the problem, so I'm gonna try shuffling. CP this to step 1A shuffled, and this is just hoping that I reproduce the problem by reordering things, because there's something more than simple solution going on here. So now we're gonna do split on step 1 AA shuffled. Actually, I should probably make sure that that reproduces first. Let me do this, I guess. Well, it'll be just as fast to do both of them separately. And AA, AB. Now these should be in kind of a haphazard order, but hopefully runs this last. Let's try AA. The output looks so silly. At least that's showing us that pytest honors our ordering. It's kind of funny. Pytest goes brr. Hey, what's up, silly buttons? Hello, hello. Okay, so it's not an AA. See if it's an AB. We kind of have like a 50-50 shot of actually hitting this. So I'm hoping we get lucky here. Actually, it's worse than that. It's a ordering problem. Probably more like a 25% chance we get it. Shit. We did not reproduce it. Oh. Now what? I guess we can try the step 1 shuffled. See if that reproduces. Oh wait, we have to put the failing test into it. Does this still reproduce it is the question. Just watch the video. Interesting choice. Respect. Cool. Cool. Oh, please fail. Please, please, please fail. Please. Thank you. And then if this fails, I think I will write a script to just run. Maybe we'll write a test pollution detection script. Oh, it doesn't fail. No. Oh no. Now I'm like doubting. Did it even fail in the first place? Oh wait, this doesn't have the file at the bottom, does it? Yeah, it does. Okay. This is very, very weird. I don't quite know what's going on here. The other thing that we could do is just like random sample 100 tests out of this and just like loop until until it's done. Can you run tests in parallel? This is insane. No, that would defeat the purpose. Because the pollution is happening in the process. If you run them in parallel, you have multiple processes and then they have their own memory space. That's one way to deal with pollution, is to just run everything in its own process. But it's really fucking slow to do that, so why it doesn't happen. Remove one of the files at a time. Wait, this one doesn't fail anymore either. Now I'm just fucking gaslighting myself. What the hell is going on here? Oh, you know what it was? I bet by removing the rest of the assertion rewrite file, I bet it's a pollution between the assertion rewrite file and the rest of the things. So let's put this on the end of this. That'd be my guess. Approved? Yeah. Good evening, says No Booty. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Fixed, yeah. We didn't fix it though. In fact, we kind of unfixed it. But yeah, that was one of the approaches we used at Yelp to avoid test pollution, which was literally just only run like 2 or 3 tests per invocation and split things across there. Richloff says no IDE. I'm using an IDE, an integrated development environment. It's just my terminal. How goes it today? It's going all right. Going all right. Well, now it's not going all right. Let's try this again. We can just remove all these. Uh... Okay, so this is what we had before. Oh yeah, and then we have to get rid of these test IDs. There was only one bad test ID there. Okay, so hopefully this fails. Doesn't fail. Be confused. Hey, what's up, Alexa? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, this is definitely what caused the problem. Code words for go fuck yourself. Okay, this one is failing. Good. Now I'm gonna delete everything after that test in the file, and then we'll check if it's failing. I'm just gonna like double check each step that I do, because right now I feel like I'm gaslighting myself a little bit. Okay, and so we're gonna grab this. We can delete AB, and we can delete this to the end, and it should still fail. Hopefully. Guess why it says rapid fire question 1. Certainly a way to start a message. Language to learn next after Python and R. What do you want to do? What do you want to work on? What do you want to build? Depends a lot more on that than on anything else. Oh man, Amazon is doing sketchy ass shit now. Their first email starts with RE in the title, implying that I've replied to it before. That's fucking sketch. Dream Shade, it says Idris. Okay. We have, it is still failing. Good. Good. Now if we split it, should have, this should have this at the bottom already. Yeah. No. Oh, we should have moved the test to the bottom. Let's delete step 2. Oh, it is at the bottom. Best remember rewritten module. Yeah. That should be the one at the bottom. Test remember rewritten module. Yeah. And it won't be at the bottom of step 2 AA. Now we try step 2. I would like some coworkers that don't push their work onto me. Don't we all? Seems like a desirable quality from coworkers. Done with that. So we close all that out. Hmm. So AA passes. Does AB pass? I always find it funny when people star my like meme packages or when people contribute to my meme packages. What did they do? What did they contribute? Oh, I think they changed the like table in the reamd. Oh, it adds the code list. Okay, praise B. Step 2 AB has failing. Okay, good. So we can continue with this. Split step 2 AB step 3. This one should still have the test at the bottom. So we need to put it on step 3. And we want to look at step 3 AA. Best package ever. Oh, you're in the chat. Nice. Welcome, welcome. Have you seen my other one? Floodgate match. It is the same meme, but for match statements. 3 AA passes. 3 AB pass. I built the damn Python distribution last week for this other team, as they asked, and now they're like, we need you to commit to maintaining it forever. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so AB still reproduces. Good, good. Step 3 to step 4. And then we need to put the failing test into this. Then we need to do 4 AA. So now it speeds up. So you'll notice we're eliminating half the test at a time, so it gets faster and faster the further into this as we go. Haven't seen that one yet. It's the same idea, but memed in a different way. Okay, so it is also in AB there. 4 to step 5, failing test to step 5. And then 5 AA. Also in B. We've had a lot of B's here. Bees. Wait. That's entirely in this assert rewrite file. What? What? Hmm. Hmm. Bees knees. It's also in B again here. 6 to step 7. Oh, it's in A this time though. Yeah. Step 7 AA to step 8. Okay, it's in A. Eight to 9. Getting into a rhythm here. 9 AA. Okay. Or we can probably just narrow it down from there. do this. Still does it. Still does it. Still. Oh. This one. Okay. Now I figure out what the fuck is going on with these tests. Early rewrites, bailouts. This pattern contains subdirectory. This must put this file into sys.path? Sys.modules, maybe? Just remember. What the fuck? This seems completely unrelated. What? How is this module found? It must be syspath? No. No? It's weird. That's a lot of work finding the imposter? Yeah. Orlin says beer time? I might, yeah. Dream Shaded says, wow, why did the test have type hints? You said in a video that's useless? Because somebody else decided to type hint those. I didn't do that. But yeah, I agree. I feel like it's useless. Monkey batching syspath seems brave. Yes. Brave is one way to word that. Yeah, fuck it. I'll go fill up my water and grab a beer. Sounds good. I'll be right back to do that then, and then we'll buzz debug. Anyway, I'll see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Dopeworm, hello, hello. La fin du monde. The end of the world. And then we'll do some debugging. Why is that not working? On opener. Hello, Anthony Owo. Hi, Dopeworm. How you doing? Chunky Lover, thank you for the follow. And Donzy Kit, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Wow, this was a terrible pour. Actually turned out alright. A real aesthetically pleasing pour. But I got the whole bottle in there. I bought a 4-pack of those and they're really strong. Yeah, they are. They're 9%? 9%, yes. Yes, but they're one of my favorites. Okay. So, sys.path seems fine. K for K in this, if test in K. So that seems sus. Test assert rewrite. Okay, no, that's fine. That's this module. Okay. That is not the problem. None of these others seem fine. That's a little weird. Okay, anyway. Okay, so we have this directory on syspath, yeah. And it has this file in it. What the fuck is this? What is this test actually doing? A certain rewrite hook should remember rewritten modules so it doesn't give false positives. What brand is that? It is Unibrow's La Fin du Monde. Oh. They're a brewery in Montreal, if I remember correctly. Yes. Quebec. Oh wait, no, Montreal's not in Quebec. Wait. Then. Some city I've never heard of. I'm wrong. Off by a little bit. Wait, Montreal is in Quebec? I thought it was in Ontario. I don't fucking know what I'm talking about. Oh, it is in Quebec. Okay. Alright. I was right. But then I was wrong. But then I was right. But I was wrong in between. The French know how to make a strong beer? Yeah, the French Canadian. The Quebecois. The fake French. Okay. Hook equals this. So yeah, we monkey patch some shit on it. And then we ask for the spec and we get back none. That's really weird to me. Really weird to me. Just ass. That's really strange. There's something about that previous test breaks this. So we have to figure out what global cache is getting mucked up by this. Okay, so let's look at the other test and see what it does. Early rewrite bailout. Test pattern contains something something. Test pattern contains subdirectories. Oh. Yeah, I wonder what this I wonder what that does. I wonder if this is a I'm guessing this this is what's wrong here. Yeah. This must be a class attribute. So this must be leaking. But let's look. Get grab class assertion rewrite thing hook. Yes, and then fn pats. It is not. But how did that carry forward? That's really weird. Oh. 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 I know what happened. This returns back a mutable value. So if this ever gets mutated, then this goes splody. And I bet if we did sequence stir here, if sequence, yeah. And then if we run mypy, mypy will tell us that that mutation is invalid. Probably. James Boyan, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Proof the beer is strong, yeah. Also, did I say hi to you, Box of Ninjas? Hello, hello. So I have two places where it does this mutation. Yeah, so this also breaks things. Oops. Yeah, so that's one of them, and then the other one was at 1454, which should be our test. Yep, indeed. Okay, so we really wanna do with mock.patch.object hook fnpats this. Do we have mock in here? Is it 1454? No. 1400? Oh, we already did the one there. Oh. This is a fixture, so we need to do yield. Type ignore archetype. Okay, well. MyBuy should be happy now, and the test should pass. Wait, return type of generic function should be generate. This is why I don't type tests. Fucking stupid. This is why I don't type tests. Generator. What does Liz bracket colon bracket do? Copy to a copy of the original? So what it does is it clears and assigns the full copy of it. So if you have like x equals 1, 2, 3, this is basically what's happening here. And then it's doing y equals x, and then it does x colon equals 4, 5, 6. This mutates the original list. mock.patch.object versus monkey patch. What can either of them do better than the other? I don't like the latter. Oh, Ethan's here. Hello, hello. Good to see you. I don't like the latter because its scope is not well defined. Whereas with mock.patch.object, you can very clearly have a context manager that clears when it's done. Thin pants is not defined. Yes, beer is strong. Strong like ox. Okay, so now... Oh, this should pass. Clearly it does. Oh, it's FN Pats. And Pats? Which is a dumb name, but okay. And now it passes! Hey, look at that! Now... do I bother with this patch? Probably not. Fix test pollution in test assert rewrite. We'll edit the commit message to add more information to it. Specifically the two tests that I found. Well, that was weird. Why did that take so long to show up? Strange. What's the key combo to do reverse I search in bash? I accidentally invoked it once and I don't know what I pressed. Control R. Dream Changes says, what's your favorite shell? I just use plain bash. And most of the reason I use plain bash is because I work on a lot of other people's computers, and if there's fancy stuff, I won't have fancy stuff there. And, you know, it's good enough. Gets the job done. Speaking of that, though, Anthony Sotilli obituary. Shit. Speaking of shells, the rather popular ZSH, however the fuck you want to pronounce it, I've fixed a CVE in it. Well, actually two of them, I believe. Due to a fun shebang bug, where if you had a shebang that looked like this, it would run code. It would run uninitialized memory as an executable name. Yeah, so in this case, like, you make a really, really long shebang, and then a file that's unrelated to it. So it's like, you know, this line is too long, but it'll run an unrelated file to it. That's one of the bugs. There was also a use of uninitialized. But yeah, I got a CVE to my name from Zeesh. Like, Google search got dark. Yeah. Oh, those are actually better. Anthony's still a GitHub Twitch attorney obituary. You wanna see how I died, chat? Damn. Did he have COVID? Wow, I served in the army? Holy shit, chat. God damn. Wait, they live streamed the mass on YouTube? I guess this was height of COVID, so doesn't surprise. Anthony Sotilli! I don't think I'm related to any of these people. I don't know any of them, at least. But man, there's a lot of them. Rip me, I guess. I can't believe you caused a CV. I didn't cause a CV. I fixed a CV. Your Pokemon character is the next of kin? Yeah. Tony? Wait, was it spelled like that? Hold up. Did I just like completely gloss over the fact that it was spelled that way? Where was it? Yo, wait, it is spelled that way. What? Funny? Interesting. I wonder what gender they represent as. Interesting. Causing CVs and missing obvious connections to you, I can't believe it. I'm just gonna blame it on the beer. Okay, original issue reproduced with. That's not true. That's not true. Anthony had Tony's funeral. Tony, yeah. No, Tony didn't die. The beer is working? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Get remote, get push me. Whoops. Why did it scroll? Weird. Ah. I'm just gonna ignore the title. CSS is my passion. They still haven't fixed this. It'd be so easy. It would be so easy to fix. Oh, except they have 2 buttons. What if we move you inside the button? Clearly fixed. Definitely fixed, chat. Then we can do an anonymous cheer has cheered 10 bits. Thank you, anonymous. Appreciate that. Really? Does no wrap not work here? Oh, anyway, whatever. Close enough. Get up using Bootstrap? There's no way. Probably the same issue that Bootstrap has with screen widths at one of the thresholds. Bang important. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Alexa. Oh, TTS. What if you do it lowercase? Is it III at lowercase? That would be better. Good HTML CSS code from GitHub? Yeah. Anonymous with 50 bits. Man, Anonymous, you're really one-upping Anonymous there. I've mastered Twitch. Yeah. Send nudes! Welcome back! Hello, hello. Yeah. It tried. It tried. One off from Vim. Is that you, silly buttons? And yes, that is my Twitter. Send nudes. Anyway. It is not. How would Anthony say it? What am I saying? Yeah. Like that? Is that what you wanted? Is that gonna get clipped? Fuck. That's a good question. Does anonymous 51 bits trigger Vim properly? Oh, that was you trying to mess around? It does not. Oh, it does. Oh. Wait, it would totally work. Wait. I didn't think it would end up in chat, but it does. It ends up sending chat as an anonymous cheerer. Let's see how many times we've gotten anonymous cheers. Huh. Look at that. Yeah, it does indeed trigger Vimbits. Time traveler. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? But yeah, these are all of my anonymous cheers. I wonder why I changed the limit to 10. I think that was the day that I changed the limit to 10. Cheering anonymously means you can't send a message. Yeah, that is true. That is true. I assume this was you, details. I don't know though. Anyway, okay, cool. Well, that was a fun little patch. What was the other thing that I wanted to look at? Several test IDs cannot be run. Yeah. Oh, both of the 50 plus have been? Ah, cool, cool, cool. Did you just typo 50 when you meant to do 51? I guess we'll never know who it was. It's true. You did. 50-cent typo. Okay. Box of Ninjas with 1,000 bits. Whoa. Thank you for that, Box of Ninjas. Appreciate it. You didn't even have a message. You could have TTS. You could have memed. You could have 2 underscore, 3 underscore, 4 underscore if you really wanted to. Okay, let's figure out what test IDs can't be run and figure out why. We do GQ again. Oh, we have all tests already? Oh, we need to repopulate it because I'm pretty sure. Xargs -d backend pytest all tests. This beer is strong. Let me just tell you. This beer is strong. That was supposed to be 100. So you made a $9 typo. Hey, what's up, John Mega? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Oops. You could have even put foghorn leghorn quotes. Yes, it's true. It's true. I don't understand them, but I could have. You could have sent those. That is indeed true. Oh my god, my email is piling up and it's driving me nuts. I'm like very much an inbox 0 person, and I'm like 12, 13 now, and it's like, blah. What if I feed addiction? What? Hey, sottile. Like that? Is that what you're looking for? And then you need the hands emojis. Okay, so this is an invalid test ID, apparently. I don't know how these end up with these things in them. Wow, this one has brackets in brackets. That one's really messed up. Okay, this one is like a very straightforward one, right? It did work. It worked. Hey Pop Cheer. Huh. Is that a built-in emote? Juice is here! Hello, hello. Juice says, how is your Arceus addiction going? Oh. I've played 72 hours? 73 hours? Which means I've only left myself like 6 hours of not either working, sleeping, or playing Pokemon over the last week. Or streaming. over the last week. Wait, you... Oh, that was one of those, that was one of those promotional ones. I don't have that emote. Weird. But I have completed the Pokedex. I have completed the Pokedex at research level 10. 6 hours spent showering, pooping, and eating. Yeah, basically. Over a week period. I've completed the Pokedex. I have the shiny charm. I have level 10 research of everything. I have reached 10 rank. And I've caught 9 shiny Pokemon now? 10 shiny Pokemon? Something like that. But yeah, I've played a lot. I've played a lot. You can eat and poop at the same time. In fact, it's more efficient. But then you have poop particles in your food. That's concerning. Listen. It should not surprise any of you that I have an addictive personality. And that if there's something that I really enjoy, that's all I'm gonna fucking do. As if you don't have poop particles everywhere. Yeah, it's kind of true. But you have concentrated poop particles. Things that I would never imagine I would say out loud. Concentrated poop particles. Okay, pytest this fails. Okay, we need to figure out why failure. No name in any of module that. That's really fucky. Recycling. What if you enjoy work too much? I've been there. But I have learned that even if you enjoy work too much, you should still just put the laptop away. You should leave the office. But there was a time where I worked, 10+ hour days for fun. It's not worth it. There's no fucking reason to do that. It is literally a waste of your time. You are giving away hundreds, thousands of dollars for free for no fucking reason. You were beefing up the man. But yeah, that happened to me at Yelp. I did that a lot until I realized I don't get fuck all for it. There's no reason to do it. Unless you get promoted though. Yeah, but in reality, promotion is really difficult. And Yelp didn't have levels. There was no promotions. So you weren't even really working towards anything. Voluntary overtime, yeah. I was young. I didn't know any better. I was drinking the Kool-Aid. So anyway, at least there's some advice for me. Don't make the mistake I did. Surprised Anthony hasn't taken PTO to play Pokemon yet. Yeah, I haven't. You mean high concentration poop particles? There's still concentrated poop particles everywhere, just lower concentration. Yeah, you're not wrong. I guess I should have spoken about the relative parts per million in restroom areas while defecating. You're right, D-Nels, 100%. You didn't even get a promotion on it? Yeah, I mean there were no promotions. Yelp had no levels, so you couldn't get promoted. You get paid more, but really Yelp's pay bumps were just Yelp's pay bumps were less than inflation, so like D-Delsp! Wait, you saved your resub until we were talking about poop? My god. Thank you for the resub, D-Delsp. Appreciate your continued support. Man. Okay, so we gotta figure out why this is here. Isotile! No. We don't need to put Isotile in that file. In the of. Wait, why F? It didn't drop any frames. Just wasn't available when the stream started. Oh, so it ticked over. Got it. So you originally subbed on a Monday? That's wild. A Monday at like 7 p.m. Cool, cool. All right. Self dot not found. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna have to write a fucking parser. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna have to write a goddamn parser. Son of a bitch. I bet what's happening is it's just splitting on this. And so it's getting a component that looks like this. Which is nonsense. I wonder, can you generate tests like this? Blip, blip, blip. Oh, that beer is so strong. I guess I didn't have dinner, so that's why. Oh, I did double quotes? What is this? Ooh. So if I do this, yeah. Indeed. Indeed. The job mite says, well, technically you have poop particles on your face. There's a specific mite that eats on your face. You can't really get rid of. It cannot excrete anything, so when it dies, it kind of explodes. Yeah, that's true. But you also have, you know, millions of single cell organisms, probably billions even, that are just constantly dying and not dying. Twitch subs are $2? Oh, you have location based subs, I think. Where are you located, Alexa? This Twitch has variable pricing. I don't know how that works out though. I don't know how that works out. Yeah, 9% without food, living on the edge. Yeah. How much alcohol did streaming Anthony consume? I've only had one beer, but it was a 9% beer. Unintentional drunk stream? Yeah, I'm like way more twisted than I should be. What does : mean? Nothing. But the : is used as a separator in the pytest code. The problem is that it's splitting up test IDs when it shouldn't be doing that. So I gotta figure out where that's happening and fix it. Resolve collection arrangement. Yeah, so you can see the : splits the class and this, but it's also splitting inside the other chunk as well. Yeah, it's just doing split here. That's what I thought. So we really need to write a regular expression, which I'm good at. Ciao! Yo, what's up? Ciao, I'm drunk. How you doing? How was your stream? I'm working on pytest right now, trying to fix a bit of a silly bug. And we're about to write a real badass regex. Are you actually? I've had one beer and I'm silly. I didn't eat dinner, so what are you drinking? I'm drinking, well, I have consumed this La Fin du Monde, the end of the world. One of my favorite beers, mind you. Regex can sometimes be a mindfuck. So there was a Whereas X was playing coding game on stream, and there was a problem where the input looked like this, and the problem was to turn that into something that looks like this. Basically inserting a space between any two letter characters. And my solution to that was re.sub look behind. Is it this? And then look ahead. Yeah. This was my solution. So, I don't know. I'm pretty good at regex. Marcianetta says something in Spanish, presumably. Be true and able to something the site. Oh, I'm so fucking bad at Spanish. Years to go. I probably could have translated this at some other time, but not right now. The passages that they're going to use are close to the site, but Chandler is going to be very close to Omen to be able to conquer the site. I'm pretty sure Google fucked this sentence up. I don't know what that was supposed to be. Pylang is here. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Local pricing. So again, Europeans are fucked because most places decide $5 in the US becomes €5. Oh, that's expensive. Ria Godfrey, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. How was your stream, Chow? What were you working on today? I want the cat plushie. This one? Or this one? Or that one? Or I guess those are the only 3 kitties. What were you translating from Dutch? It was probably just whatever somebody pasted in chat. Tubrum says, I've switched to antidepressants and medical weed and I live alcohol free. Congrats. Awesome. Is that a robot? Is what a robot? Am I a robot? That I can spit out this regular expression? All of them? My pricing in euros is less than $5? Nice, nice. Yeah, I don't know what that means for my payouts though. I really doubt that Twitch is properly, you know, maintaining the $5 in USD, but yeah, whatever. My pricing in euros is less than $2. Where are you, Alexa? If you don't mind me asking. You don't have to answer. Feel free to not. Okay, we're gonna fix this to hopefully solve this. How am I gonna do this? We're gonna split on colons, but not if we see a square bracket before a squacket even. Can we do a variable length negative look behinds? Good question. Positive look behind. Look behind. Actually we want a negative look behind. Right? We could even do it without regex. We probably shouldn't do it with regex. Ray Godfrey, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It's in Europe, but Twitch seems to consider it a third world country. Oh, in Montenegro. Oh, and rightfully so. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. In the Soviet Europe? In Soviet Europe. I see. Wait, where are you two, Worm? Are you in Russian Europe? I don't know why I rolled my R's. That's not a Russian thing. Can't use a VPN? I don't know. I don't know how it works. Oh, you need a credit card from the country. Montenegro, the only country in the world that illegally uses the euro. Oh. Also Kosovo. Yeah, true. You want to parse some structured text with regex? Yeah. What vodka? Vodka Europe? Yes. Anthony can't speak Spanish, but his R's are daddy. Yeah. Well, I can speak un poquito de español. Only, only a little bit though. I knew enough Spanish at one point in time to test out of 4 years in college, so I would call that good enough. Then again, in high school Spanish class, I just sat in the back and fucked around. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is base squacket. Should I get squacket into pytest's code base? Yeah, sure. Sure path. Parts. Does this make a tuple? No, it makes a list. Okay. Base dot split on colon. And then parts -1 equals parts -1 squacket rest. Let's try that. Let's see if that works. Oh shit, let's go! Nice. Nice. That wasn't too bad. Melky's here. Kapow! How's it going, Melky? Hello, hello. You took 4 years of Spanish in college? No, I tested out of 4 years of Spanish in college. Mr. Airy, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Montenegro basically went, well, managing your own currency is hard and a lot of people are using it, so let's just use it, but also kind of ignore that the Eurozone and the ECB exists. Yeah, that's fair. No one really yelled at them for it, though. Zero Knight, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Says, oh, hi. Oh, hi to you as well. Melky's playing Pokemon? Yo. How far are you? How many hours have you played? That's probably a better measure, right? You had to actually take a test for it. I just had 4 years in high school and they were happy with that on the transcript. Yeah, I had to take a test. I put in like 20 hours. They're fucking rookie numbers. Montenegro be like monetary policy? Yeah, miss me with that shit? Yeah. I have 73 or 74 hours. MB Dot, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I have completed the Pokedex. I have the Shiny Charm. I have level 10 research and everything. I think I have 9 shiny Pokemon now. I've been playing a lot. I've been playing a lot of Legends Arceus. I'm really loving the game. Okay, so we made the patch. We should make a failing test first. Let's leave Teed Up High around. Run test ID with colon. Alexa has gifted 5 subs at your reduced rate. Thank you for the gifted subs. Appreciate that, Alexa. There's your buttons. I tried dropping some third world gift subs, but Twitch is stuck processing. Some third world gift subs. Oh. Oh, that's fucking funny. I Simply Too Good, thank you for the follow. And Gold X Pepe, Mad XCOM, Grindshell, and Moomy, and Aki are all subbed now. Thank you. Thank you for the gift subs again, Alexa. Appreciate that. Third world gift subs. Oh, I snorted. Recursive Chat says, I need to find something to do after work that's not work. I mean, widget games? Jacking it? Like, literally anything else, right? Okay. Let us make a failing test. You play Magic. I do not play Magic. Grindshell play Magic? Maybe. Oh, Grindshell says mostly watching Kenji, but yeah. Oh. I had my roommates in college played Magic. They used to do drafts all the time. And I would just sit there and wait, I should maybe not say that. I would comment on the size of their particular color decks. We'll put it that way. Dr. Cuddly says, wow, somebody else with my keyboard. Oh, cool. Nice, nice. Anthony option 1, play video games. Anthony option 2, lewd behavior. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Yeah. You know, tapping lands with the white deck. Never mind. Never mind. I'm not gonna elaborate on that joke. Okay, so we need to test for this. I don't know where this possibly gets tested. I mean, it's in the main file, right? Who broke a keyboard in half? Roy, man. Boy, Andrew. I had a day once where I just was real mad at the CODs. And so I just broke it over my knee. No, I bought it this way. Actually, I did not buy it. Sorry, I need to make sure that I disclaim that. I did not buy this keyboard. It was gifted to me by Kinesis. So, yeah. Hashtag sponsor, yeah. Hashtag I didn't pay for this keyboard. I cannot claim that I paid for the keyboard. It was given to me. It's in half because he bought it in 2 installments. Shit. Were any of their decks of impressive size? Yes, that is precisely the joke, Quality. They had some big decks. Okay. Which one of these? What is test main? Is that the function I changed? Oh, it is. Resolve collection argument. Test file, test dir, test pypath, test does not exist. Test parameterized name with colons. Although I think I have to do some stuff up here, don't I? Because we only have this. Stupid double quotes. Okay, so I should be able to do What the fuck is this doing? What is this empty string? I don't know. We're gonna do this here. We're just gonna do that. We're gonna assert that. Hopefully that works. Test 2.py, and then, oh, it doesn't even care about the names, does it? So we don't need to do this at all, I think. Test.py. Yeah, let's try that. And of course we have failing test. Because we forgot invocation path, which is a path. Apparently we have to type annotate these, which is kind of a pain in the ass. Wait, why do you pass? No, you're not supposed to pass. No! God damn it. You're an unrelated thing. Why does this work? What the fuck? Well, that's not right. Oh, because the result is wrong. I guess we can just assert the result then. Why Anthony decided to go into software and not hardware? Okay. Not only will this kill you, it will hurt you the whole time you are dying. Yeah, it's pretty correct. Pretty correct. With colons, yes. Where's one of the ones that they actually check the results? Insert ret equals invocation path slash source slash package slash tet.py tuple. Okay, so it's failing now. What happens if this succeeds and this fails? I don't fucking know. I don't care. Let's see what it does. Damn it. I think my title is going to be a lie again. I don't know that we're going to end up working on Babby because we're 3 hours in. I guess we worked on pytest instead, which I think is fine. Oh boy. I can't tell you why I'm laughing, but it is very funny. I guess I could tell you half of it. My friend's applying for a job, and they've selected me as a reference. And there's this like cringy reference site called searchlight.ai. And I have and the AI part of it is so shit that they've applied to 2 different jobs and I have to put in 2 different references. Which is like, which is an interesting choice. Every stream title should be fixing broken shit, yo. Yeah. Oh, great. I have broken the JUnit XML. Oh, wait, no, that's just the test pollution that we already fixed. I should rebase. I should rebase. Get pull FF only. Yeah. That'll fix these 4 failures, as well as another 2 failures that happen later. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Every stream title should be just fixing broken shit, yo. If only I could fix myself. Either fixing broken shit or making broken shit. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I make a bunch of broken shit too. I mean, all software is broken. All code is bugs. Oh, these seem not good. Oh wait, maybe those are the same test pollution bug. Maybe. Oh, there's not that many companies here that use this. Well, that fucking narrows it down to where my friend is applying. But that's only half of the joke. Anyway. New Wordle dropped? I haven't played Wordle other than the one I did on stream. Evanescence once said, "Don't try to fix me, I'm not broken." No. The Evanescence reference. Get Anthony hooked on Wordle? Nope, don't do it. I can't. I don't have time for it. I barely have enough time to eat and poop, given I'm playing Pokemon so much. Although I think I'll play less now that I've actually basically 100% of the game. Do this while pooping, problem solved. No! Isn't Wordle dead after the guy figured out the optimal word for it? No, because even there's a lot of words that don't fit well into it. Okay, these are all the oh, also, you want to see a cool pytest feature that doesn't get used often enough? You can do --lf and it'll only run the previously failed tests. Kind of cool. So I didn't have to redo all 3,000 of these. I could just run the 8 that failed. Glitched microwave. Hello, welcome. How you doing? It is kind of sick. I use it every once in a while. That's a neat little pytest feature. Stubrim says, "Anthony, I want to have babies with you." How though? How does that work? Dale says, "But maybe your fetch caused more to fail as a result." It only touched this file. So we can just rerun this file. But you know what changed in this file? Me. I changed this. I'm the only one that changed that file. Do not question the Centaur 2 Pro. Yeah. You know, birds and bees, flowers. Yeah. Something like that. Well, oh, I'm gonna have to make a fucking changelog entry. Well, running test IDs which contain : in the parameterized function. Black just out here being like, haha, get fucked. Of course there's my single quotes. I'm gonna try and get Squacket into into pytest. Is there an example here? Yeah. Have you assumed my gender? I have not assumed your gender. I have assumed your location. It's a bit different, Twoworm. Fixer J says, I realized I'm gonna have to get into the on-call life of my new job. Yeah, that is going to have to happen. I mean, on call, depending on your their location is their gender. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. So I'm gonna create this in work in progress so that I can use the for example, in pytest suite. Oh, music has stopped. I have to live alone with my silence. Oh, it reached the end of the playlist? What? No. Oh, the playlist is bugged. Yeah, it's typical YouTube. Or this was failing with... Oops. Create a draft so that I can get a little number here. And then I can do change log, list.bug, tweaks.rst, fix running tests by ID with colon in the parameterize portion. Does this have we don't do name attribution in those. Okay. Oh yeah, I guess I did do 2 patches. I was like, why do I have 2 branches with the same name? Cool. It's not XVI Century planes or a thing? I guess that's true. That's true. What did I do? Just a quick in and out. Twoworm. Kind of SWSRE on a container service team running internal Kubernetes. Yes. Yes. I'll shut up now. The job maker says, doing something new tomorrow. I'll be part of an interview for a possible new employee. Ooh. Interviewing starts out fun and then gets to be a grind. A real fucking grind. Glitch Microwave says, my small monkey brain cannot comprehend a single thing you're doing, but I really enjoy it. Well, that's a big part of the stream. Me not knowing what the fuck I'm doing and chat not knowing what the fuck I'm doing, but enjoying it nonetheless. What is your name? D Snuts. Yeah. Should I call you D now? Twoworm? Is this what you've signed up for? 10 out of 10, can't agree. Interviewing sounds way cooler than it actually is. Yeah. I'm sure I'll be interviewing at some point because this job doubled my salary. Also hired me 2 levels higher than I'm at now. I can't currently interview, so I'm gonna have to do that. Yeah. Well, the nice thing about interviewing, but that's Miss Nuts for you. The nice thing about interviewing people rather than interviewing yourself is you get to practice without having to actually practice, you know? Solid Splake, which is a great name. I once interviewed a dude during COVID that his son was pointing out mistakes in the background. We could hear him. He was making the coding portion and he started yelling at his son. Fun fact, the son was right. Shit. Shit. But yeah, there are some positives to interviewing. Oh no. Oh, fucking stupid. Fuck you, Cov. Piece of shit. Stupid ass. It's probably just gonna be like, oh, well, you didn't cover the line of code that you didn't thing. Bullshit. Bullshit was not covered by tests. Literally the test I added. This fucking covers it. If I put an assertion error there, it's going to raise. Raw. Stupid goddamn. Yeah, that's what I thought. Fuck you, CodeCov, you piece of shit. You don't fucking know what you're talking about. The hell out of here. Some goddamn bullshit. 50% of your patch was not covered. Get fucked. Anthony's an anger drunk? No, usually I'm a sad drunk or a silly drunk. I think this is just me being a silly drunk, but a silly drunk in front of people, and raging at CodeCov is funny. Or at least inside my head, raging at CodeCov is funny. Mega says, bedtime because Europe. Well, thank you for stopping by, John Mega. I'll see you around in the future. Have a good one. Frickin' Europe, yeah. It'll fix itself by noisy in the first place. Yeah, this is why CodeCov is fucking garbage. This is why CodeCov is fucking garbage. If I had 6 months and like slight chip on my shoulder, I would write a replacement that's better. But I don't think I'm gonna get 6 months to work on a thing that I'm not gonna use. Slightly hangry drunk? Yo, I am hangry. I need some food. Raging at computers is funny as hell. Yeah, exactly. There you go. Hey, what's up, Pat? Nice. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Don't worry, CodeCov is in on it. In on how fucking garbage their service is. Yeah. Are you talking about a person or a piece of software? Piece of software. This service is hot garbage. Especially because this page like never fucking loads. Like, I'll bet. Oh man, I would have lost the bet. Usually this page doesn't load, and these reds are just bullshit. It's just garbage. It's just fucking garbage. And that's why I don't use the service. Because it's garbage. COVID Cov 100%. Oh no. Raging at computers is basically what a software eng does. Yeah. Maybe now is a good time to start writing better code Cov while being drunk. I think we just figured out what you can do to use a 24-hour React stream. Well, the front end isn't the interesting part. The back end is the interesting part. The front end's easy. Well, the front end I can pay someone else to do. Turin says, as a manager, red color scares me. I mean, yeah. Yeah, this is there's some scary reds here. But it's just because CodeCov is garbage. Actual fucking garbage. But hey, the thing that really matters is green. Look at that nice little check mark up here. 50 seconds though. Not slowest, but I still have to fix this so it's less than 1.3 seconds. Oh, the queue is kind of slow too. Well, that's a nice check mark. Yeah. Look at this fucking front end bullshit that I did here. This is all CSS. Fancy little check mark here. And then writes React. Yeah. Merging is blocked, but you can say fuck it to all of our processes by checking this box and using PR anyway. Yeah, I can. I have the power. I have the power. I'm not going to, but I have the power. I really want to get the word squacket into pytest. Okay, anyway, I'm getting too silly. We're probably gonna wrap up stream. But thank you all for stopping by. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week. Today's video is about the timeout command, which nobody fucking watched. But I guess that's the way things go. Anyway, check out my YouTube content. And if you missed any part of the stream or you want to catch previous streams, I upload those to my second channel, which you can click through here as well or in chat. And I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony. Tuber says I didn't watch it. I'm sorry, Daddy. No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Future error. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Did I say I had a glitched microwave? If not, hello. Welcome, welcome. But yes, I announce my streams on Twitter. I also announce them on the Discord, which you are all free to join and hang out with us. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions. There's also a bunch of fun social channels as well, which admittedly get a lot more traction than the programming channels now that I think about it. But yeah, anyway, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.